In this video, I'm going to teach you how to clear app cache on Android phone. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into this article. So to clear cache data from your Android apps, you can first see all the apps installed on your Android device. Go over to your settings and go to storage and then tap apps. Now you can see there are all of the apps that you can see. And then on the storage menu, you can see the option for free app space suggested by the Google Files app. If you actually don't use this, you can just tap on the three line menu on the top left and then select clean. Now in here, this is what it looks like. You can also clear cache for individual apps. To do that, you can head over to storage and cache and then tap on the clear cache option. Don't tap on the clear storage, so head over and click on the clear cache option only. Now you can also repeat this for other applications that needs clearing of cache from you. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need.